Hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So now we are doing a fifth question on the topic of introduction to sets the Form 2 program. So this is a question, the question was already enumerated. So now we are going to A. A says we should draw a complete Venn diagram. So this is a free set, because it has three sets. So we should draw a complete Venn diagram. We are going to represent here. As it is already drawn. So we have football, we level to football, we have basketball, and we have volleyball. So let's table what you already have. Towards that 12 play on the left. So he is giving to us variety. What do we have? 180 people were surveyed. So we have our zeta as 120. What else do we have? 60 people by the ball. That is all. So what is the first thing we have to do to complete that? We first have to find the highest intersection. If it is this, in this case it is 12. So let's still write it. We have F intersection B intersection V is equal to 12. Now when we have this, we have to find out the two set intersections. So let's find the intersection between football and basketball only. So football and basketball. Football intersection basketball only. Could be equal to what? Could be equal to football intersection basketball minus this 12, because this 12 is already all of the people that are doing every sport. So if you want to know the people that are doing football and basketball only, you do the total number of people that are doing football and basketball minus the people that are doing all of the sports. Because people that are doing all of the sports are also inside the people that are doing football and basketball. They want the people that do football and basketball only. So it's going to be football and basketball 20k, which is the total number of people doing football and basketball, minus 12, which is the intersection. That will give us 16. If you check here, when you say n of A only, it is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. It's the same thing that we've applied here. F of F intersection B only will be equal to F intersection B, it is this, minus F intersection B intersection D. You see this intersection. So it is just the same formula that is applied with two sets. So the answer is going to be not this. So let's kill it. F intersection B is 16. F intersection B is 16. So the next one, F intersection V only. Likewise, F intersection V only is going to be X F intersection V minus the total number of people that are doing all the sports, which is 12. So what is N intersection V? 22. 22 minus 12 will equal to 10. They will do B intersection V only. So F intersection B is 12. F intersection B, it is here. I put my 2. Okay, it is 10. Put my 10 there. So B intersection V, what is it? B intersection V is the total number of people that are doing the basketball and volleyball minus the people that do everything. So people doing basketball and volleyball, this is it. 12 is 18. Volleyball and basketball only is the same like in basketball and volleyball. So if you write B intersection V or V intersection B, it's going to be the same thing. So it is 18 minus 12. Now it's 6. So right here our 6. So now that we have one of those, we find look for F only. Look for one of the onlys. So find F only, what do I do? This is the formula. F minus everything that contains an intersection concerning F. You see? So to find S only, I will have my total F, which is 60, minus all of these other numbers, all of these intersections which are inside S. You see, this is F here. So if I want all of this, if I want F only, I must remove this because this are parts of F and they are parts of other sets V and B. So if I want F only, I already have my total S. I already have the sum of the total number of people that are playing football. I already have it. So now, if I want the people that are playing football only, I must remove all of these other people because these people are not playing football only. They're playing football and other things. So from this 60, I'm going to remove 16, to remove 12, and remove 10. So what is this going to give us? 60 minus 38. 60 minus 30 is, that's going to give us 22. So you can put here 22. So we do set for B or B only. What is B only? Is the total B minus the sum of all of the intersections which comprise B. So in this case, it is a total B minus 16 minus 12 minus 6. So this is how I'm going to write it. The total B is 50 minus 60 minus 12 minus 6. 60 minus. So this is 16 plus minus 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. Plus 6 is 34. 50 minus 34. 50 minus 30 is 20. Minus 4 is 16. So for B only, we are going to have 16. We do same for what is that B only. So what is V only? V only is the total V's minus the sum of all of the intersections in which V is. So my total V, what is it? 40 minus 10 minus 12 minus 6. So this is 40 minus 28, which is going to be 12. So I might sort it. And that is it. Now on the heart, all of the values which are inside. I've filled all of the gaps. But the remaining is just with this. If you know how people that do neither, none of them. So what is it going to be? To know the number of people that do none of them, I have to know the number of people that do everything. Like the total number of people that do at least one thing. So how do I do it? The total number of people that do at least one thing, you just add up everything there. So for neither, we write my formula for neither. Okay, let me just do for at least one. At least one squad. What is it equal to? The super, the sum of everything is 2 plus 12 plus 22, 12, 16 plus 10 plus 60 plus 12 plus 6. So what is that going to be? This is going to be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 2, 4, 10, 16, 18, plus 6. What is that going to be? 80 plus 6, so that's 7. 98 weeks. You only got 4. So that's 94. So there are 94 people that at least one squad. 94 of them to at least one squad. So now you want to know the number of people that don't do any squad. So for neither, what is the formula? You will take the total number of people that were surveyed minus the total number of people that do at least a spot. Like that, you have people that don't do any spot. So you take the total number of people that were surveyed, which is your antecedent, minus the total number of people that do at least one spot. 94. No, that is 100 and 120. Yeah. Minus 94. That's going to be 36. For 36 people here doing nothing, I don't do any squad. So, yeah, and that is all. I successfully finished drawing our. If it's success, it will not the suit. So what does the question say? It's in the parents or teacher. This says draw the computer electronic. This says how many playing only football. So for how many play only football, you come and check here 82. 82 play only football only. Then how many play exactly 2 sports? So now how many play exactly 2 sports? This is the play for 2 sports. 2 sports, you will see the people that play 2 sports where 2 intersections meet. You see here F and B league. Here F and G meet. And here B and G meet. But you don't add this one here because all of the intersections will be. So you add up everything where 2 intersections meet. So the number of people that play only 2 sports will be 10 plus 16, 26 plus 6, 32. So you're going to have 32 people playing only 2 sports. Then for none of the 3 sports, the answer is just like 26. As for none of the 3. And then the C part says, what is N? The number of F union B union D. The C part says N naught F union B union V. What is that? Number of F union B union B, what is that? So they ask you what is the number of people that do every sport. You just solve up this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. That's what we did here and gave us 94. So that is 94. And that is all for this question. So I take some time to reflect on what we did. What we did was we first to draw the Venn diagram first pinpointed what was given to us. We were given this and this. So what else? We draw everything that is inside the intersections, the two intersections, the two step intersections. How did we write it? We came here and we did, for instance, for F and B only. We do the F and B that was given to us minus that three intersection. You had it. You do set for F intersection B and B, we from base this intersection B and B. Then to buy S only. Then I have my F. I remove all of these other intersections from me. So what I remove all of the other intersections from me, I'm going to have 32. Same for B only, and same for V only. And then I say at least one spot. Why do I do at least one spot? Because I want at this point to know the number of vehicle that is doing none of the three. So for it, I have to know everybody that is doing a vehicle at this one spot, so that I can remove it from the total number of people that were surveyed. What is the meaning of a survey? A survey is just a questionnaire. Like when you say you do a survey, it means you go and ask people questions about, in this case, it is about sport. Do you do football? Do you do basketball? Do you do volleyball? So when they say 102 people a survey, it means they ask the question to 100 people, 108 people. And then this number of people said that this number of people said they're doing basketball, and this number said they're doing volleyball. So we were here to know the number of people that do none of the sports, so that we can put it here. We find the number of people that are doing at least one sport. Then I got price level football, basketball, or volleyball. So people that even do both of them, or people that do the three of them. So we add all of them up and we remove it from the total number of people to whom the questions were asked. Then we have 36. This is 120. And that stands for the reward of me. I wish you remember. Where? It is 136. So C passes F. The number of F union B union G. What is the number of people? So that page to bar and bar and the stack is 94. Is already cleared. So that is all about question 3. Next of the question 5, I mean. So thanks for watching. Hope you have understood. After this, we are going to do the last question, question 6, which is kind of a complex question. So we are hoping to meet you there. From now to then, keep on solving with us on Educlynk.